Howdy folks, I'm out here at the creek right now. Actually got the kayak here with us today, all loaded up. And we're gonna be doing a little bit of kayak fishing here today. So yeah, got our ultralight right here. Just my normal ultralight that I use for pretty much everything, including catfish. It's from Walmart. We're gonna be fishing with this tiny little crankbait, which I also got from Walmart. Get most of my things from Walmart. It's a good place though, you know? There's a lot of good things at Walmart, believe it or not. But yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead, hop on the kayak, see if we can catch some fish. Alright boys and girls, we've made it in the kayak. Now the objective is pretty simple. Catch some fish and hopefully not drown. At least that's the plan. See how it goes. So before we sail off somewhere deep in the wilderness, I'm actually going to take a cast right there, just for fun. See what happens. First cast, by the way. Okay. Cast right there. Oh, got him. Second cast right there. Ooh. I actually haven't yet figured out what this fish is. How's that angle? Anyhow, so in case y'all don't know, like a couple weeks ago, I actually was out here at this creek, and I was fishing, and I was catching a lot of these ones right here. I actually haven't yet figured out what they are. It's like this really colorful looking fish. I have no idea what this is, honestly. Too colorful to be actually a fish. Could be a whale or something. I don't know. There we go. As soon as it landed too. See. Could have been. Got him. Not a big fish, honestly. Okay, some little. And it's actually a green sunfish, believe it or not. Not a big fan of green sunfish, actually. That's actually the second species of the day. First one was that, whatever that was. And now we got a green sunfish. Yeah. Release them here. Probably going to be catching a lot of those today. Another cast out there. Dude, this place is actually really fishy. There's so much fish out here. Got him. Oops. Another one of them green sunfish. None too crazy. We're going to be catching a lot of them today. Got him. Another green sunfish. That's actually a really good catfish bait. Ooh, that's actually a decent sized sunfish. Pretty good one right there. Oh, got him. That ain't no sunfish. Oh, dude. I'm gonna have to get my net out for this one. Oh, golly, son. Oh, smallmouth, smallmouth. Get up here. Oh, he's getting tired. Get up here. Oh, got him. No way. Look at that. It's not a big one, but it's a fat one though. Look at how fat that thing is. By the way, that's the third species of the day. So far we've caught that, whatever that was. green sunfish, and now a smallmouth. Look at that. He was fighting so good on them ultralight. That's crazy. Got him on this little Walmart crankbait too. Good, healthy fish right there. Go ahead, release him. There we go. That was a good fighter. Smallmouth are just good fighters in general. I am fishing with an ultralight too, so kind of makes sense. But anyhow, let's keep fishing. So I just changed baits from the crankbait thing to this curl-tail grub right here with the 1/32 ounce jig head. We're gonna see if that does any better. Boom. Oh! Oh! No way! Monster! He's not even moving. Oh! What? Is that a catfish? Sure isn't a green sunfish, I can tell you that. Oh, what? Golly, son. Big one. Ugh. Monster. Oh. Y'all see the thing? The rod band? Dude. That is big. Oh. Okay. Okay, he is not done. He's not giving up easily. Oh, I just saw him. No way. Oh, I can see him. That is definitely a smallmouth. What size even is that? Oh, whoa. Just pulling the rod in the water. No way. He's 100% bigger than the kayak for sure. Golly, son. Bigger than me, 100%. Golly. Oh. Get up here. Oh. Son, I can see him. Oh, there. Oh, no. Oh, no. He's not done yet. Oh! Got him! No way, son. That is a monster. Look at that fish. That is a big smallmouth. Look at that. For the creek, it's a big one. I was also like the second cast after I changed to one of them white curl-tailed grubs, whatnot. That is a big fish. I mean, for the creek, it's a big one. For a lake, it's probably a dink, but on the ultralight, he was fighting so good. Especially since this is a wild smallmouth. Hey, look at his eyes. Size are like, they're red. That is like one of the better ones I've caught out of this creek. I mean, honestly, for a little creek like this, that's a decent fish. I mean, it's definitely not the biggest one I've caught out of the creek, but it sure is big. It's a little bit on the bigger side. There we go. And there he goes. You can still see him. Well, I think that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe, because I sometimes post decent videos that you might want to watch. So consider subscribing if you want to. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See y'all in the next video.